everyone, welcome back to my channel where we break down complex topics into bite sized nuggets of information that is easy to digest. Now, today we're diving into the world of credit cards, specifically comparing two popular options with Navy Federal Credit Union, the Flagship Rewards Card and the Platinum Card. Now, if you're trying to decide which card is the right fit for you, or if you're just curious about how they stack up against each other, stick around because I've got all the information you need from credit cards, from credit scores requirements to other important features as well. So let's kick things off by talking about the Flagship Rewards Card. Now, this card is designed for people who want to earn rewards while spending. Now, with the Flagship, you can earn 2 points for every dollar spent on all purchases. But what sets this card apart is its bonus offer. Now, right now, new cardholders can earn 40,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 in the first 90 days of their account opening. Now, that's worth around $400 in cash back or travel rewards. But of course, with great rewards comes certain requirements. So if you're eyeing the Flagship Rewards Card, you would generally need a credit score that's in the good to excellent range. Think around 680 and above. Now, Navy Federal will be looking for a solid credit history when making their decision for this credit card. Now let's switch gears and talk about the Platinum card. Now, unlike the Flagship, this card is all about saving you money on interest. So it features a very low introductory APR for the first 6 months, which, let's be honest, is a lifesaver if you're carrying a balance or making a large purchase. Now, this card is straightforward. There is no rewards system, which means it's perfect for anyone focused more on managing debt and minimizing interest costs rather than earning rewards. Now, if you're considering the Platinum card, this card score requirements is similar. You'll want to aim for a score of around 680 or higher in order to be approved for this card. Now, this card often serves as a solid first step for individuals looking to build or improve their credit score over time. Now, let's talk about the soft pre approval process. One of the benefits of applying for either of these cards is that Navy Federal offers a soft inquiry pre approval, which won't impact your credit score at all. Now, this means you can check your likelihood for approval without worrying about dings to your credit score, which I think is definitely a win win. Now, when you apply for pre approval, Navy Federal will look at your credit profile and let you know which card you will likely be approved for, along with estimate credit limits. Now, for the Flagship Rewards Card, credit limits can start as low as $5,000 and go up to $25,000 or more, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, the Platinum card generally features similar limits, but can sometimes be a little bit more lower, starting around 1,000 to 2,000 on the conversation. Now, when you apply for pre-approval, Navy Federal will look at your credit profile and let you know which card you are likely to be approved for, along with estimate credit limits. Now, for the Flagship Rewards Card, credit limits can start as low as $5,000 and can go up to $25,000 or more, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, the Platinum card generally features similar limits, but can sometimes be a little bit lower, starting around 1,000 to 2,000 on the downside. Now, speaking of credit limits, this is an important factor to consider when choosing between these two cards. A higher limit can significantly impact your credit utilization ratio, one of the key factors affecting your credit score. Now, that said, if you're someone who plans to make a larger purchase or travel frequently, the Flagship Reward Card might be the way to go with this higher earnings potential and increased limit. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking to keep interest rates low and manage your overall debt more effectively, the Platinum card is an incredible option to consider. Now, as you guys can see, again, back to comparing these two fantastic options of credit cards. With a flagship reward card, you can maximize your rewards, making travel pay for itself. Again, you need a really great credit score. They also offer 3 times points on travel, 2 times points on everything else. You can receive statement credits up to $120 to global entry or TSA pre-check, no rewards limits or expirations while your account is open and active. The only reward structure that the Platinum card offer is the lowest interest rate. Now you can redeem points with the flagship rewards. You can redeem the points for cash, travel gift cards, and merchandise, no limits or anything like that. For the Platinum card redeeming rewards, you can earn and redeem cash back with this card by shopping on Member Mall. They do have special offers as we did go over. For the Platinum, they do have to transfer a balance within the first 60 days of your account opening. Then you can save money with a low intro APR again for 12 months. Now, if we're looking at their APR rates, this varies based on credit worthiness. I do feel like the Platinum APR rate is a little bit lower at 10.99% and on the higher end at 18%. And then for the flagship rewards card, on the lower end for them is 15.49%, and on the higher end is at 18%. Again, for the Platinum, zero for the annual fee. For the flagship, $49. Now, when you are applying for these cards, there is a few things that you want to look at as well as your current credit score. So a higher credit score increases your chances of being approved for a credit card, of course, your annual fees. And of course, I always tell people to make sure that you are reading the terms and the conditions with any bank. Also, the annual percentage, which is the APR, the perks, different cash or cards with different perks and benefits, such as cashback rewards and travel discounts, and as well as approval. Now, if you're worried about being denied, you can see if you're pre-qualified at Navy Federal Credit with no impact to your credit score whatsoever. Now, both of these cards, the flagship reward card and the platinum card from Navy Federal Credit Union, have their unique strengths, and the best choice depends on your personal finance goals. Now, whether you're after rewards or lower interest, these cards can provide fantastic options for Navy Federal members. Now, before you make your choice, I encourage you to think about how you'll use the card and what condition suits your financial lifestyle best. So, whether you're earning points or saving on interest, make sure to choose what aligns with your goals. Also, in case you don't know, in order to be able to apply for the Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards, you also must be a member. And also, thanks for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more depth and financial insight. Until next time, take care and make wise financial decisions. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.